Hey, kumusta ka? When was the last time someone genuinely asked you that? Not just to start a conversation, but because they really cared to know. You know, we talk a lot about success, goals, relationship, pero bihira nating pag-usapan yung mental health. Bihira kasi minsan mahirap aminin na pagod ka. Mahirap sabihin na hindi ka okay. Kasi natatakot kang matawag na mahina. Pero alam mo, hindi ka mahina. Pagod ka lang. And that's normal. Depression is not just sadness. It's waking up in the morning and feeling empty kahit alam mong may dahilan kang ngumiti. It's wanting to talk pero wala kang lakas. It's smiling in front of people while silently screaming inside. Hoping someone notice na hindi ka na okay. And the truth is, a lot of people are silently fighting battles you'll never see. That's why it's so important to be kind. Yung simpleng kumusta ka, yung pag-check mo sa friend mo na biglang nawala, it could mean more than you think. To anyone listening right now, if you're struggling, please know your feelings are valid. You're not overreacting. You're not burdened. You are human. And humans get tired. They break down. They cry. But they also heal. Don't rush your healing. Don't compare your progress to others. Take your time because every small steps count. Even getting out of bed today, that's strength. Or even listening to this right now, that's courage. And if no one had told you this lately, you matter. You are loved. And the world is better with you in it. Let's normalizing talking about mental health. Let's stop saying drama lang yan or attention seeker. Because sometimes that drama is someone's crying for help. So please reach out. Ask for help if you need it. And if you can, be that safe place for someone else. You're not alone. You never were, and you will never be. So, this is your reminder. It's okay not to be okay, but it's also okay to ask for help. Ciao.